What's my water? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is
Juliana, her sister.
and you already know me. And we're back with a video today. We're gonna go on Omegle and yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and let's get on with the video.
We just saw some hot action. We just saw boobies. Unlike you guys, you faggots.
Hello.
Hi.
You know what? I put my tag as funny to find like pretty women and stuff.
Oh,
You guys just showed me not to put it again. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much. You guys are nice people.
That's fucked up.
Are you guys from Mexico?
That's racist, bro.
That's not.
He gonna put her. You know what he look like? He look like that dude from Victoria's.
Oh, Robbie! The one with that fucking.
Yeah. It's the same guy. That.
You're really gonna roast me and spread negativity online when there's Jesus right beside you?
Yeah.
You got no respect. You ain't got no respect. You ain't got-
Oh my.
Is Jesus right beside you?
No, even do. Hey! Oh, look at that little doggo!
You can do that. You can press play.
Hey! Hey!
Go.
Hey! 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 Oh. Hey. Poor dog. Did it die? Did it break its neck? It's good? Alright. Alright. I'm just checking. Alright. Bye. I think it's broke its neck. That dude look like from the guy from Despicable Me too. Look at that. Look at that. The one in the freaking orange. Meow. Ow. Ow. It's a furry. Hell yeah. I never seen a furry in real life, but what it do, boo? What it do? It's just like, what
Look, I'm you.
Oh my god! You
Time!
I said, oh my god, at the same exact time in my head, but instead of saying all that stuff at the end, I said, oh my god, they're still ugly. Ugly though.
Oh my god, it's here.
Can you roll ASMR?
It's ASMR.
Want to see a magic trick? What do you think happened?
It's still in your hand or disappeared.
Yeah, it's still in my hand, but what do you think happened?
I don't know what happened.
It got a face on it.
Wow. Hey, do you want to see a magic trick?
Sure.
Okay, ready? Count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
I lost the bet. Would you for
That's mean. I feel bad for the dude.
I hate people that put a lot of effort into something so, like, useless, you know what I mean? It's like ugly people putting makeup.
You again! Oh
to
god!
look even uglier,
It's
you know what I mean?
annoying!
Like that.
And you're ugly as You looked in the mirror?
Listen, Dora. Listen, Dora.
My hair is long! My hair is long! My hair is long, unlike yours!
that guy from like the Halloween house that we went to? Wait, leave it.